everybody. You've reached Nia Nicole, your vision launcher, and I'm here to give you an instructional video on how to create your unique goal list for 2018. This goal list is your vision for how you need to get closer to the best you that God has intended. Today, you will, I will, and we all will create a vision board that will demonstrate the things we want to focus on in 2018. So let's contemplate, collaborate as we create our visual masterpieces of a goal-getting year. So let's get started. First, an annual vision board should have at least 3 of these 5 essential elements. That's faith, family, finance, fitness, and fun. Faith is the building block that you need to build your vision around. Add all of your faith elements to the center of your vision board, and then build out. Be sure to include icons and elements that represents your faith and how you want to build a closer relationship with God. With God at the center of your vision, you are more than likely going to reach the destination of success. Next, family. Family is the next layer of creating a vision for your life. When you have healthy relationships with the people in your close inner circle, you're more likely to feel supported as you try to conquer new tasks. In this area, you should use icons and graphics such as wedding bands, baby photos, pictures of a home, things like love. You get the drift. Next, finances. Can you say, let's build wealth? This area should show your commitment to building personal wealth for those that are here with you and those that will come after you. Whether you are an entrepreneur or a 9-to-5er, you have to show your commitment about building personal wealth. You may want to start buying things like real estate. You may want to start making investments, do a 401k, buying life insurance, starting a savings, starting a business, going back to school. Just use icons and pictures that demonstrate your commitment to build personal wealth. Next, you have fitness. Now is a good time for us to try to shed that 5 to 10 pounds that we probably gained as we ate all of the goodies during the holiday season. But listen, please try to resist doing fad diets. Choose pictures and icons that demonstrate your commitment to healthy living overall. Dream big, but really start small. Use pictures of fresh food and gym logos and not an ideal body weight, but a realistic one. Don't forget also personal care. We want to make sure that we are not only just physically fit, but we are mentally fit as well. Last but certainly not least, we want to create an avenue for fun. You should begin to become more intentional about doing things that make you happy. Enjoying a fulfilling life helps you to release endorphins and it promotes positive health overall. In my fun category, I'm going to try to travel. I want to see the world, and I want to start in 2018 marking off exotic destinations one place at a time. You have liberty in this area, so you can use photos that make you smile, things that make you happy, whatever activity that's going to bring fun in your 2018. Overall, your unique vision board will give you a physical depiction or masterpiece of your goals that you want to achieve this year. Be sure to focus on things that you can complete in 1 year's time. If your goal takes more than a year, then you want to use pictures that's going to give you your first steps that's going to lead you to your ultimate goal. Once you complete your vision board, make sure you put it in an area where you can see it every single day. It is a reminder of what you're going to be working on to achieve throughout the year. Also, learn to keep a gratitude journal. As you start to accomplish some of the things that's on your vision board, write it down. Also, as an aside, I teach a workshop on gratitude. And if you want more information about that, I'll give you my website information at the end. Writing things down as you achieve your goals will give you that inspiration to continue on your journey to vision. So I'm so glad you stopped by today. If you want to see more instructional videos like these, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at I Am Nia Nicole. And remember, let your light so shine that others may see your good work and glorify your Father which is in heaven. Have a God-graced day. God bless.